This is Liberty Stock 51398. It's a Haas TL-1 CNC lathe, serial number 3117165, new 2019. It's equipped with a 7.5-inch Sam Chully model FTC 190 3-jaw manual chuck. Also has a 4-position power turret.
You got it.
Okay.
Controls up, it's been home.
Okay.
Pop it open, take a look around, and we'll do some things in manual mode.
Lathes look good.
Yeah, you can move stuff over, it's not a problem. So
Okay.
whatever you want to do. So
Yeah, we'll just get a better view of lathes here.
well, I can just home it then. There you go. You see it all, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
You good on that? Take a while.
We should walk around back, yeah.
Hey, this will open.
That's good.
Yeah, there we go. Air package on the back side and the electric panel. That's about it if you want to go back there.
Yeah, I'll get back there. Thank
And
you.
coolant's on the other side of the machine. So.
Okay. A little tight, but yeah.
Package, spindle regen on top for what it's worth.
What are we wired at? What are you running at right now?
Low voltage.
Okay.
I think it's on the tag, yeah. 220? Sure. Yep.
Okay.
That's what I brought to it, so. Shipping brackets down here, cooling system, leveling pads.
All right.
Tailstock is here for what it's worth.
Yeah, it's all right.
That's all, yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine. I'm gonna leave it back because when I home it, I don't want to crash it, so.
Good call.
Good call, right? It's a good call. So,
Okay.
yeah, coming around the front, I'll pop through a few screens real quick, and there's program right here. Nothing in here, of course. I mean, that's all we got is a lot of nothing, so, oh well. I might not be able to run or program that. Position is where we're at now on my main screen. Offsets are here. Current commands, F2, F3, spindle speed, whatever I want to do there. What else we got? Alarms? No active alarms, yeah. And diagnostics, take a look at air pressure, coolant level, all that good stuff. Settings, of course, speak for themselves. And help. We don't need any help, but there's all the icons. I usually just kind of hang out in position here. I can index, yeah, I'll index it. Let me move the slides over a little bit. I'm in jog. I should be in jog. Move over on, let me get my position up here, Z. There's Z. All kind of works nice. And or off the buttons for what it's right. I think it'll go faster with the handle, but and then X, and yeah. We'll take it back one time. Just let it home itself one more time. 0 return. Go back home. Come right back out again, and Z, go back into that, Z, bring it out, I'll do an index now. Let me get over here, move it up a little bit, and then still in manual mode, that's all we got, a turret forward, let's see if we got it, no, oh MDI, sorry, let me get into MDI, there we go. Go the other way. Yeah, that's about it. So that said, this all works pretty good. fact, the jog, and in jog, I think I had, it was capped at 1400 on this one, the safety feature. I think I've got it programmed at 1400, and my percentage is at 40%. Let's see, yeah, let's just start the spindle here. And we're at, yeah, 400. I can probably jack it up now. There's 5, 7, 8, 9, 11. Sounds nice. That's at 90%, 1259, as you can see right here. I'll go one more, 100%. At 1400, there it is. That's it. I think it's an internal cap, so someone doesn't overrun the spindle, but at 1400 it sounds nice. I could probably overclock it a little bit here. I think it'll let me. Let me see. Yeah, there's 110, which goes up to 15. There's 16. Go one more. 18, almost 2,000. Yeah, that's pretty good. Back to 100%. Stop. Start full up. And I lost it. Oh, there it is. Main spindle is over the safe speed limit. Continue. Blah blah blah. No, cancel. So that's over. If we bring it down to 80, it might give it to me now. Let's see. Yeah, it does. See, there it is. They got it capped at 14 for the time being. But yeah, sounds good. And I mean, there's not much else to do here, Pete.
Okay.
Yeah, looks good. Runs good. You got the waves.
Yeah, we got the weights.